Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix saggy doors. The issue you might be having is that the doors seem hard to close and you really need to slam it. So the problem is that the door hinges wear out, and at first you don't really notice it. It just becomes hard to close them, but actually what happens, as you can see, the front door is slightly lower than the other doors, and when you are trying to close them, they are only hitting this metal part. The fix is actually quite simple. You only need to buy a pack of these metal plates. They come 3 in one pack. 2 of the plates are quite thin and the third one is significantly thicker. So I will try to put 2 of the thinner pieces on the driver door and 1 of the thicker on the passenger door, because 2 of the thinner plates are a little bit thicker than 1 of the thinner plate. So yeah, that is all about the problem. And what you will need is a simple floor jack. I will be also using a wooden plank because I don't think I will have enough reach with this. And I thought I will be able to use a simple socket set, but what you actually will need is an M8 head. Those usually don't come in a small toolboxes, so this pack was like €8. So I just bought the entire set instead of buying just one. Maybe I'll need it somewhere else. So the first step that you need to do is give this door somewhere to rest using the jack, and then you'll have to undo these bolts, just one of them, because as you can see the plate has opening here. So what you will need to do is only undo this bolt and loosen up this bolt, so you will be able to just slide this part in and won't need to remove your doors completely. So as you can see, I ended up using a couple more of those, and now you can try to break those screws loose. I was doubting if the small ratchet can do it, but it certainly did. And why did I choose smaller ratchet? Because the big ratchet with a big socket just wouldn't fit here and you would have a problem. The bottom bolt is out, and now loosen this one a little bit more, so we would have a gap in between. And now what we are going to do is lift this jack a little bit, and it will create the space right there, and it will create some space there, and that's where we will put our plates. Actually, what I did end up using just my knee. Put it right there. There we go. Shimmers are now in place, and we can screw the bolts right back in. And when you put all the bolts in, before tightening them, lower the jack. And when you are tightening them, make sure that they are somewhere around the same spot where you found them. You can see the old markings where the screws were. So you can move the door a little bit and find the right place for them and just tighten them down. Okay, as you can see, the door is all done. And now the moment of truth. Oh, okay, how did that happen? And let's check the gap. Way better. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to repeat the process for the next side. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.